Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very popular statement earrings from polymer clay. So let's begin by condition your favorite choice of clay. Here I'm going to make an olive green color by mixing one part of blue color into three parts of yellow color clay. You may not get the exact color, but I'm trying to make as close as possible. And this is what I got after mixing a couple of times, and I am going to make the earrings. So this earring is super fun and easy to make because you don't need to knead it flat. You can just roll it into a very large and long snake, just like in this video, and you can shape just like this. If you go to Pinterest, you can see a variety of polymer clay arch earrings designs, and I have chosen to make two designs. That's what I'm going to show you today. And after making this long snake, you just shape it into an arch by using your hands just like this and place it in a flat surface and make the earrings just like this. This is what I told you, this is very super easy to make. So here I'm making three snakes, three layers of snakes, and I'm going to arrange this on top of one another. And so here I am trying to make a tutorial of how to make an arch earrings, and you can always customize the color, the design and everything. So this is the very basic form of polymer clay arch earrings. So that's what I'm going to make today, and this is the first earring that I made. This looks like this, and let me make the another one and I'll show you in a moment. And that's how we made our first pair of earrings. So now you can cut off the extra length and try to make both of them looks almost same. And this becomes the dangle part of our earrings. Now we move on to make the stud part. So now you can choose same color or any different color matching with the dangle, but I prefer to make the same color, so I just take that green color polymer clay, knead it well, flatten it, and now I'm going to use the round cutter and I'm going to cut out two studs in a round shape just like the buttons, and that's how it becomes the stud portion. Voila! Our first pair of polymer clay arch earrings is ready. So now I'm going to show you another design of polymer clay arch earrings. For that I have taken this pink shade of polymer clay, knead it well, and just make the same snakes, the long snakes, just like we did before, and but in a different design. So one thing you have to remember while making the snakes is try to make all the snakes into almost similar width, otherwise that earring may not look even. So try to make the snakes almost same width. Now I'm going to make this first arch, but I will be joining the ends of the arch just like this. And now if you need something for joining, you can use liquid polymer clay or Sculpey Bake and Bond to join the ends just as a glue. So this is what my first layer looks like. Now I go on to add the second one and the third one on top of this, just like we did before. So now I'm going to trim the tails in a particular way to make my design. Of course that design is not mine. I saw that in Pinterest and I like that design and I'm trying to make that one. So here I'm going to trim all the tails in a particular way to make that design. You can choose this design or you can make any design as you like. You can always search the designs in Pinterest. You will get plenty of ideas, and this is very easy. I am just trying to make this one. You can watch it. If you like this, you just go ahead and try this one, or you can of course try something else. So okay, this is what I did. So the basic idea is to trim off the tails into different length, just like this, a large one, a small and a smaller. So just like this. And here it is. This is what my earring looks like, and let's make the other one. So now we move on to make the stud. I have taken this white color polymer clay, knead it well, and flatten it and cut out two round shapes using round cutter and make these studs just like we did before. So the earrings is done, it's ready for baking. But before baking, don't forget to make the holes to hang in the earrings. So take a toothpick and put holes on the studs and also on the dangle part. We are going to connect both of them using gem rings, and then we have to bake it according to the package instructions. And let's see after baking. So this is how my earrings looks like after baking. My olive green color turned out to be a little darker than the actual olive green, but that's fine, that's okay. Now we are move on to assembling the earrings. So let's take gem rings and earring post. So before assembling, I thought of the idea to give another look to this plain white color stud. For that, I'm just taking a little bit of black color acrylic paint onto my brush, like a toothbrush, and I'm going to flick it over my white color stud to give another look. So it will give like a spattered effect on my white color stud, and let it dry for some time and I will show you the results in a moment. And this is what my earrings now looks like. Now we are ready to go on and assembling the earrings. So you just take the gem rings. You need to connect the dangle part and the stud part through this gem ring. This can be a little tricky, but yeah, of course you can do this with the help of these pliers. This is not the professional jewelry making pliers. This is the common plier which is using for all the purposes, so you can use that. You don't need to buy anything particularly for the earrings. So connect both of these into this gem ring and close these, and that's how we make our earrings. Lastly, attach the earring post with the help of super glue, and that's how we finished making the polymer clay arch earrings. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are going to try this out, please post a picture of your earrings with the hashtag Patiodreams on Instagram, or you can post it on Facebook or YouTube as a comments. So see you next time. Stay safe, stay happy. Toodles!